Welcome back to the channel. Today's Photoshop project is all about cyberpunk vibes. We build a glowing futuristic city background from scratch. If you have love, neon lights, rain reflections and futuristic energy, this is your style. Start with a dark cyberscape photo. Add new layer with glowing neon colors, pink, blue or purple. Now use brush tool to paint windows lights manually and add lines or smoke overlays for realism. Now use hue saturation to match the entire tones. Finish with the gradient map for cinematic lighting, and there you have it. Your cyberpunk city ready for your next design as thumbnail. Don't forget to subscribe.